Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake healthy. We'll explore simple yet effective ways to transform this classic dessert into a guilt-free pleasure. By making smart substitutions and adjustments, you can enjoy a delicious cheesecake that aligns with your wellness goals. Let's dive into the specifics and discover how to create a lighter version of your favorite dessert, making it a treat you can feel good about enjoying. Reducing sugar is a key step in making your cheesecake healthier. You can easily swap out a significant portion of granulated sugar with natural alternatives like stevia or erythritol, cutting down on calories. Consider using fruit purees to add natural sweetness and moisture, allowing you to reduce the total sugar by as much as 1/3 to 1/2. Don't forget to boost flavor with extracts or zest, making it delicious without extra sugar. For a lighter cheesecake, focus on dairy and crust alternatives. Opt for low-fat or non-fat cream cheese and Greek yogurt in your filling to reduce fat content. Instead of heavy cream, try evaporated milk or light coconut milk for a similar creamy texture. For the crust, choose whole wheat graham crackers, oats, or almond flour. You can even skip the crust entirely for a significantly lower calorie option, making it a truly lighter dessert. Enhancing flavor and practicing portion control are crucial for a healthy cheesecake experience. Top your creation with fresh berries or a light fruit compote for natural sweetness and vibrant color. Spices like cinnamon or nutmeg can add wonderful depth without extra calories. Remember to serve in smaller, controlled portions, perhaps 1/8 or 1/10 of the cake, to manage your intake. Enjoy your healthier cheesecake mindfully, appreciating its deliciousness without overindulging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.